understanding. Understanding those letters along with their ready-made approach. Once you start writing, you get into a habit of practicing those letters which you have read before. Because regularly we don't indulge into any of writing work, especially concerned to letter writing. It is always a generalized thing where there is no habit. After studying 6 sample letters, I shall start giving you letter writing. You have to send me through WhatsApp, not a complete letter, part and part you should get perfect. That is my approach. Sachin, it is 58 now. Good. Okay. Let us read the question. Today's sample letter. You have noticed many stray animals on the road. Stray means which are not pet animals, which roam around in the colonies in the area in and around. You have noticed many stray animals on the road during the busy hours of the day. Busy hours of the day is that hour of the day where students, school children, working professionals, many employees, all are indulging their routine timing work. For example, in our college take, we start our day at 8, 8:30. So from 8 to 8:30, this becomes busy hour. Or returning time like 5:30 or 6. This becomes the busy hour of the day where working professionals, students, school children, all are busy in reaching home or reaching offices. These animals have caused traffic jam as well as accidents. In between, while the travel going on the roads, because of the people, they have their own work timing. In between, these stray animals cause certain traffic jam because they come in between, and that leads to accidents. Now, you have already returned to the concerned authorities, but no action has been taken so far. Concerned authorities means what? Let us think into the context of Bijapur. It is in the concern for the municipality. They have to handle such queries area wise. If the concerned authority is not into an action, then comes the thought of displaying in front of all the people such cause or such problem. So write a letter to the editor of a leading newspaper telling him about the nuisance created by stray animals. So what kind of nuisance? Nuisance is always disturbance, problem. Simple word, problem. Little more, what do you say, elaborated meaning is disturbance. What kind of disturbance it is causing? It is causing traffic jam as well as accidents. Let us see it. What is given in the question is you have to write a letter. You have already approached the concerned authorities. The concerned authorities into a because it is concerned for the roads happening on the roads. So it becomes a necessary. We can understand the concerned authorities, the municipality member, municipality head, local SP, DC, all these people, they are actually ruling. Excuse me. Yeah. Let us see the letter first. Let us see only the from address. What is given in the letter? Sign your name as Preeti or Krishnan. That means girl is writing the letter, girl student, Preeti, she will adapt. Krishnan is for boy. Sometimes a single name may also be given. So question studying is very important before stepping into writing letter. What is given, what is not given, what I have to write, in what way I have to bring out and grab my 5 marks as well as my understanding. Grabbing 5 marks, priority, understanding the things and representing what you really feel from that. So for time being, we all should become Preeti or Krishnan. She is facing the problem or he is facing the problem. Last class I told you we should play role play in our English literature. Then all sentences will come into our experience and it becomes very easy to pen down. It's always a basic thing what we need to adapt. Given as C5 Assam. So address is very small. Whatever they have given, that is me only been pen down here. C5, comma, Assam. So this Assam can also be written down. There is no objection for that. Place name can be put down without any margin. Sorry, without any paragraph. This can also be done. This is what from address is. And there is no from written. It is understood. Sachin, it is 55 score today of students. They are not scoring 125 according to their strength, my dear. Okay, date comes after leaving one line space here. One line space. This line spacing little bigger I have taken so that it can be seen from your end. One line, leaving one line. You will be writing 15th March 2000 into. That is always into. It's not multiplication. X is always something, a numeral where identity of a date or a person is not known. So naturally you can also pen down like this. Giving the current year, that is also most welcome. Fine. Don't give future year. That becomes a problem for the letter. That you should not do. Don't give any future year. Only the current year or the past year you can give. To address the editor, the Indian Express, Guwahati. Now, Assam means it relates to any place from Assam. It can be Guwahati or Assam. It's all up to you, up to us to decide what to write. Because there is no, you have to write a letter to the editor. There is no newspaper description in the question. There is no particular place. Only from place is there, not to place. But always the capital city, likewise Guwahati. But see here, punctuation. Form address, after one indication or one part of the letter, comma, then place name. After this, there is no full stop. Clear? Next comes to the editor. T should be capital, E should be capital. That you must remember. Next, which newspaper? Indian Express. Now the thought comes that whether that part of India is supplied with certain newspaper or no. Generally, national oriented newspaper you can pen down. Local newspaper we cannot get to know. Like how our Karnataka has so many local newspapers, other places also we may not get to know. This will not be a worry. Fine. Guwahati. Leaving a space, subject. I had told you SUB is welcomed as well as SUB JECT. After subject, it should always be a colon punctuation. So in your letter, colon, capitalization, comma are the basic punctuations you should remember. If you forget, then your letter is not complete. Whatever you write in the subject part, it should not be like a sentence to remind you. So first letter of the subject line should be capital. Nuisance created by the stray animals. You are writing a letter concerned to the nuisance created by the stray animals. These are all common letters, dear students. Very common letters. Sachin, is 59, dear. Check it out. Nuisance created by the stray animals. Here, the punctuation missing is full stop. Purposely, I have left it because one thing I don't know whether I punctuate it, you will get to know. Will you get to know that I'm putting it a full stop? Could you respond me? Yes or no, or yes something? I have put a full stop after the completion of the subject line. Did you get to know about it? Whether the changes are observed in the Zoom meeting? Anyone please chat, send a message through chat. If yes, raise hands. Have put a full stop here. Convey me. You logged in or went away? Yes, ma'am. Thank you, my dear Anjali. What is this yes spelling, Asha? Yes. New spelling, new abbreviation for messaging. Fine. Nuisance created by the stray animals. Now, one way, easiest way is when we study 10 to 15 sample letters, your words are collected in your mind. Your words, your things, all should be collected in your mind. Now, first, we know salutation doesn't have a comma. Yes, comma I have to put. Because here it should be comma. One way of telling, there is not a comma we should put. That is also a way of telling and conveying what is important. So I'm adapting both things for your understanding. Leaving a line here, it was not left before. I have left it right now. Now, when you observe this particular letter, there are only two paragraphs. Now, first line is very important. Right now, you just have to keep it in your habit of framing the sentence for letter writing. And that is through the columns of your column means when the editorial column is there, from that column, fine, through the columns of your esteemed means most respected, through the columns of your esteemed newspaper. Esteem andrena, esteem means the most respected and most read by people and appreciated. She has written, I wish to draw the attention of the concerned authorities of the municipal corporation regarding the plight of the residents of Bobazar. Bobazar is written in capital as first letter. Why capital? There is no description given in your question about which area is suffering, right? Which area is suffering. But once you write the letter, there is an analyzation required. That analyzation is you have to mention an area. May the question might has not been given, but it's your common sense which you have to hold upon to elaborately and completely write your letter. Fine. Now through the esteemed through the columns of your esteemed newspaper. That means whatever I am writing uh, with using the column of your esteemed newspaper. It is okay. Through means using the column. That means whatever she is writing, it will be published in that particular editorial column. I wish to draw this particular dialogue. You will have to imprint in your mind. Kindly imprint, because these are all fixed depending on the content of the letter. These are like formulas for our English, dear students. I wish to draw the attention of the concerned authorities. She wants to draw whose attention? Municipal corporations. Because she has personally approached municipal corporation through a letter, because we have to raise everything in written. Governmental transactions will always be written, dear students. They will not accept anything through email or any other phone call. They are so into this, I tell you. At present also, they themselves use everything written. If they want to convey anything to a particular house or area or a person, they directly write a letter, and that too typed one. There is no printout for it. To my surprise, we suffered a little problem in our area recently, in the past 3 months, about the road. What do you say? They were making cement road. For that, there was some problem arised. It was being settled in written, I tell you, and they typed it and sent it. In the current scenario where we use computer in every way, but governmental authorities always use the typed and non-blocking letter only. Fine, this is how it is into a fashion still. Fine, she wants to draw means their attention she want to grab. See what will happen if I write anything which is of a society concern. If the municipality has not given me any response to my letters or my communication, then I will approach the newspaper authorities and make it sure that this particular area has not been addressed after my complaining also. So it's one way giving a backstroke to the people who has to resolve this problem, right? In other way, it is like this. And municipal authorities do not have any rights to question an individual. If it is societal concern, if it is the wellness of the society. In personally, fine. There is always a negative thing to all the things, but legally they don't have any right, because we have freedom of expression as a fundamental right. Concerned authorities of the municipal corporation regarding the plight. Plight means problem, disturbance. Take down the meaning if you don't know. Go on recording word meanings, dear students, in the last page, from the last page of your class book. Penning down as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, vocabulary or glossary. Because whatever words are coming into your credit right now through online class or through anybody's communication, pen down it. In whenever you want, you are reading something, and if you are getting any meaning of the word, pen down and copy down it. This should become a habit. Once you do it, what happens? You are writing it, and once it is written and written with the meaning, our brain retains it strongly. So plight, problem, disturbance, or nuisance. Plight of the residents of Bobazar. While going to school at 8:50 a.m., I noticed many stray animals wandering here and there on the busy market roads. The position is almost the same. A repeat performance in the afternoon. That means this is in the morning session. I noticed many stray animals wandering. Wander mandra addadodu. Here and there on the busy market roads. Busy market road was in between traffic. Bari animals. To my surprise, if I want to share something, I would like to say about our cows, especially in front of this BLD gate is there, the juice center. There is those stray cows and buffaloes. They sit in the middle of the road, and I always make fun of them that they are the speed breakers. There are already damaged road which are breaking our speed, as well as these animals sit in the middle of the road. Surprisingly, these donkeys are absconded somewhere. They were there most in our areas itself. Fine, coming to the topic. While going to school at 8:50 a.m., I noticed many stray animals wandering here and there on the busy road, on the busy market roads. The position is almost the same. Position means about the stray animals and the condition. That repeats in the afternoon because it is about the small children. Sometimes these animals cross the road in a long unending array. These animals cross the road in a long unending array. Means line agi hogtara. Line agi animals one by one they follow each other, thus causing traffic blocks as well as accidents. So in between, what happens? Suppose we are busy for something and we are rushing and increased with the acceleration, there it tends to happen with an accident. And this problem causes not just for animals, but the person driving or riding his vehicle. He will be under problem because all cannot have sufficient time. Without time, also people like to rush. So under this circumstance, these stray animals cause more problems. This, these animals create a health hazard too. That means here they occupy the roads, and what happens? Here they are causing the health. Like how? Health hazard. Hazard means problem or disease. Health hazards too. TOO is an adverb. By urinating everywhere. Animals are a habit of urinating wherever they want because they are not pet animals. They are not trained. Now, after urinating, what happens? It is the waste material is exposed into the air, and this causes pollution. This becomes also a health concern content also in the part of the letter. So, what we need to understand, huge heaps of dung are lying here and there. Flies hover over them and insects breed inside them. About the stray animals' habit of urinating and discharging waste, these things happen. Now, if they, how do these municipalities are going to help? That's the surprise. Where will they leave these stray animals? Will they take them all? Will they take them to any other place or make them to animal breeding or animal rearing department? Don't know. But it's their work to think and worry because ultimately people are suffering due to these things. Now, analyzing these particular paragraph, dear students, one, highlighting which area is affected, timing of the problem arising, right? Because step by step approach is important. Initially, when we start teaching you letter, we always tell you para 1 contains this, para 2 contains this, para 3 contains. While writing, you know, your own skill, your own knowledge and experience always supports you so strongly that you start penning down like a paragraph. So giving a little pause in our thought process and analyzing, yes, what I've written in the first line, second line, third sentence, fourth sentence, like that. You have to observe it. While going to school, that means timing of the problem and how it leads to particular problem. Here, any other concern other than accidents, that is health. Now this can also be paragraph. Okay, this can also be paragraph. Second problem is there, no? So you can paragraph it. Leaving a line. What is the society people have done about this? We have already written to the concerned authorities, but no action has been taken so far. The authorities are requested to depute officials. Depute means assign certain work to certain officials who will come and see to the problem. Depute officials to catch these stray animals and send them to the police pen. Police pen means the police persons have certain department who handles these animals. If unclaimed, these might be auctioned. That means if whose animal they are or for what reason these animals have been taken out. If nobody is there to go and collect it. Sometimes what happens? Some pet animals only been left out on the roads just to uh, roam around. That time it will be entrusted to the police department to the from the concerned area. If no one comes and claims about them, these can be auctioned. That means many people can come and buy them. She has written this. So in our thought, we may not understand, oh, the authorities are requested to depute officials to catch these stray animals and send them to the police pen. If unclaimed, these might be auctioned. It is hoped that an early action will be taken by the concerned authorities. This is the ending concluding line. Fine. This can also be written like this. So in this particular session, I told you and gave you an idea that how you can paragraph your own idea. There are no hard and fast rules that, oh, paragraph 1, 2, 3 are important. Always hoping and expectation can be started with the new line, right? There is no 100 to 100 to write this. Now, in our thought, we may not understand that where these animals can be put. We can only end up writing the authorities are requested to depute, and she's writing it in such a way that the approach is that means they have already approached the concerned municipality head or authority but there was no action being taken out. I request this can also be deleted because it's not your concern what they can be doing. Your intention is to just bring out certain hope and expectation and put forth in front of the uh, i- uh, in front of the officials, right? This can also be deleted. Fine. That time it is hope the concluding statements will be adjoining this. We have already written to the concerned authorities, but no action has been taken so far. It is hoped that an early action will be taken by the concerned authority. Only this much is also accepted. But whenever you write 124 letters, I have to read, dear students, and I will be reading them. After reading, there are certain corrections to be given. If you want to write such letter on your own base, copying certain sentences like first line, second line, only this part if you copy and write the letter, most welcome. So today try to write this particular letter in your own words. Sample 3 will be discussed in the forthcoming session, but I want to read it only. Sample 2 is discussed in front of you. Letter content is small. Take a screenshot of this particular heading. Screenshot you take down. You remember what to write and what not to write. You send me your written text. I'll be waiting for your written text. Don't copy down from Google, dear students. Please make mistakes. Please go wrong in framing sentences because that can only be corrected. Once you copy and write, what will happen? Correction part will be invisible and it lifetime or further 5 years is the time where your brain accepts certain corrections. After that, it is not going to accept. Okay, it is human brain tendency. Copying is easy. Okay, I can go for this. I am giving you everything. Only the concern is bring out your thoughts, your own words, your own punctuation mistake. Don't hinder in giving a wrong letter. Always yearn for doing mistakes, but go for corrections. Once the correction is given, don't repeat the mistake. Please learn it judicially and religiously. I want to see much confidence in you just for one letter writing. Marks are 5 marks, but learning is for a lifetime. In your professional life, it is going to be of a great help. Please take care of this concern for your sake, for your own upliftment from the present level. The confidence of writing letter is most important. Copying is always easy, but the upliftment remains invisible, completely invisible to score in your examination or to have to handle certain professional correspondence. Both the things, don't make it invisible in your life, in your brain, because brain is for life and brain is for professional life. Take care. Have a nice day. Before concluding, let me take example 3. I'm just going to read it. Write a letter to the editor of the Times of India, highlighting the problems of the housing cooperative society to which you have recently shifted. Now it becomes your understanding. Now here, no explanation, dear students, only reading. Hope your brain, whatever has been heard, your ear has heard, your brain has analyzed, your brain has accepted certain things. Your brain might have given you so many sentences. Let us see what way in best it's going to understand the further letter. B6, Saraswati Bihar, New Delhi, 110078. Space, leaving a line, 19 September 2000 in XX. The editor, Times of India, New Delhi. What is the letter? Write a letter to the editor of the Times of India highlighting the problems of the housing cooperative society to which you have recently shifted. From address, date to address. Subject, problems of Saraswati Bihar. Punctuation you might have observed here. Sir, I want to highlight the problems of Saraswati Bihar. A long hyphen, A housing cooperative society to which I have shifted recently. What is Saraswati Vihar? Housing Cooperative Society. I request you to give them wide publicity to attract the attention of the officers concerned. I want to highlight the problems of Saraswati Vihar. Long hyphen. A long hyphen, whenever it is used, it is for continuation of the statement. That means something clarification for the prior sentence. A housing cooperative society to which I have shifted recently, not recently shifted recently. I request you to give them wide publicity to attract the attention of the officers concerned. Sub paragraphs are there, point wise. The colony has electric poles, but there is no provision for street light. There is complete darkness when there is a breakdown in domestic power supply. Domestic power supply. Second point, the roads have uncovered manholes. Now, what are manholes? The drainage system. The roads have uncovered manholes over the sewerage lines. Sewerage lines means the waste lines or the dirt or the waste. These have caused a couple of accidents. An 80-year-old child was saved from death only yesterday. Third point, the garbage disposal system is very poor. Perhaps the municipal authorities do not take cognizance of the existence. Cognizance means knowledge or understanding. Cognizance or cognizant. Okay, it's nothing but knowledge or understanding. Perhaps the municipal authorities do not take cognizance of the existence of this housing society at all. It is making us understand helplessness. It is only once in a blue moon. Once in a blue moon, what is that? Yandaravamme. Once in a blue moon that a truck visits the area to collect household refuse. May I hope that the authorities will pay attention to the genuine genuine difficulties of the residents and take effective remedial action. May, question, it's a question statement starting with a modal verb. That's why there is a question mark here. I do hope you will champion our cause. You will champion means completely depicting it publicly. Thanking you, yours truly, Avinash. Hope this is read by me is understood for you, giving you more clarity. I have given you a work today of stray animals. Hope the screenshot is there with you.